Hello students, how are you? Enjoying the days? So today we will discuss in the linear inequalities the representation of linear inequalities in two-dimensional plane, that is the graphical solution of linear inequalities. So let's start the topic. Welcome students. So this is the third part of the chapter 6, linear inequalities. I hope you all are well and safe. Let's start. In this topic, we will graphically represent the solution of linear inequalities. First of all, we must know about the representation of the solution of linear inequalities. So these are some conventions. The first one is to represent the solution of a linear inequality in one or two variables graphically in a plane. Proceed as follows. Number one, if the inequality involves greater than equal to or less than equal to, we draw the graph of the line as a thick line to indicate that the points on this line are included in the solution set. So student, if the inequality involves the greater than equal to or less than equal to sign, then you must draw a thick line or a bold line to represent this inequality. Second is, if the inequality involves greater than or less than, draw the graph of the line as dotted line to indicate that the points on the line are excluded from the solution set. The next one is, solution of a linear inequality in one variable can be represented on number line as well as in the plane, but the solution of a linear inequality in two variables of the type ax plus by greater than equal to c, ax plus by less than c, or ax plus by less than equal to c, where a and b both not equal to 0, can be represented in the plane only. That is, you can draw these inequalities or their solution region on a graph, which is the two-dimensional plane. And finally, two or more inequalities taken together comprise a system of inequalities, and the solution of the system of inequalities are the solutions common to all the inequalities comprising the system. So let's take some examples where we will represent the solution graphically on a two-dimensional plane. Now we will discuss the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Students, we know that a line divides the Cartesian plane into two parts. Each part is known as a half plane. A vertical line will divide the plane in left and right half planes. You can see this is a vertical line. The left side is the left half plane and the right side is right half plane. And a non-vertical line, the line which is non-vertical like this, will divide the plane into lower and upper half planes. This is the upper half plane and this side is the lower half plane. A point in the Cartesian plane will either lie on a line or will lie in either of the half planes first or second. This is the first side, this is second. In the same way, here this is the first and this is second. Any point in the Cartesian plane will either lie on a line or will lie in either of the half plane first or second. We shall now examine the relationship of the points in the plane and the inequalities. Inequalities are ax plus by less than c or ax plus by greater than c. Now let us consider the line ax plus by is equal to c, where a and b are not equal to 0 and also a and b are real numbers. There are three possibilities, namely the first condition may be ax plus by is equal to c, second ax plus by greater than c, or ax plus by less than c. For the line ax plus by is equal to c, there are three possibilities. First, ax plus by is equal to c, second, ax plus by greater than c, and third, ax plus by is less than c. In case 1, clearly all points x and y satisfying first lie on the line it represents, and conversely. In the first condition, the point x comma y, the ordered pair x y, will satisfy the equation of line. Now for the case second and third, for our convenience we use the point 0 0 to know about the solution region. The point 0 0, that is the origin, that point be 0 0. For the inequality ax plus by greater than c, for 0 0, if 0 greater than c is true, then the solution region will be on the side where origin lies. But if 0 greater than c is false or not true, then solution region will be on the opposite side where origin lies. For example, this is the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, origin, and suppose this is the line ax plus by equal to c. For the condition ax plus by greater than c, if 0 is greater than c is true, then the solution region will be on the upper half of the plane, this side, because the origin lies in the upper half. This is the origin, it lies in the upper half of the plane. But if ax plus by greater than c and 0 greater than c is not true, then in case the solution 0 greater than c is false, then solution will be in the lower half of the plane, this side. Similarly, for ax plus by less than c, ax plus by less than c, for the point 0 0, if 0 less than c is true, then the solution region will be on the side where the origin lies, and if 0 less than c is false, then solution will be on the opposite side where origin lies. Similarly, for less than and greater than and less than equal to and greater than equal to, we have two types to draw the line of the solution. You can see here, if an inequality is of the type ax plus by greater than equal to c or ax plus by less than equal to c, that is the sign of the inequalities are greater than equal to or less than equal to, then the point on the line ax plus by is equal to c are also included in the solution region. Then all the points of ax plus by is equal to c are also included in the solution region. These points will be the part of the solution region. So draw a dark line in the solution region. So for less than equal to and greater than equal to, we will draw a dark line. to represent the equation of line. Whereas if the inequality is of the form ax plus by greater than c or ax plus by less than c, then the points on the line ax plus by equal to c are not to be included in the solution region. These points will not be included in the solution region. Draw a broken or dotted line in the solution region. So for the cases where the less than and greater than sign are in the inequality, we will draw the dotted lines only. It means the points of the line will not included in the solution region. Now based on these properties, you can say we will draw the graphs of the linear inequalities on a graph paper. We are doing the first question. Solve the given inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane x plus y less than 5. This is the linear inequality. First of all, we will solve the inequality to draw the graph x plus y less than 5. This is the given inequality. To draw the straight line or line on the graph, consider this inequality as equation x plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus x. You can choose any 2 points or any 2 values of x to put in this equation. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5 minus 0 equal to 5, and try to take the value of x if possible when y is 0. So if x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So this type of equation you have solved in class 10th. For x0 the y is 5 and for x5 y is 0. Therefore points are 0, 5 and 5, 0. These 2 points through which the line will pass. Now again for the solution region, x plus y less than 5 at the point 0, 0, 0 plus 0 less than 5 and 0 less than 5. It means true. 0 is less than 5 is true. So the inequality is true for 0 less than 5. So the solution region will be on the side where the origin will lie. Now we will construct this line on the graph paper. This is the y-axis, this is x-axis, this is the origin. If you do not have any negative point, then make the graph in the first quadrant, otherwise it will lie in second, third or fourth quadrant. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The points are 0, 5 and 5, 0. 0, 5, this point is on the y-axis. This is the point 0, 5. Another point is 5, 0. This point is on x-axis. This is 5, 0. Now joining these 2 points, we will get the equation, but remember the inequality is with the less than sign, and for less or greater sign we draw the line as dotted line. So join these 2 points with dotted lines. When we join these 2 points, we get the equation of line, and this line is x plus y is equal to 5. Now at 0, 0, 0 less than 5 is the true statement. So the solution region in the lower half of the plane. Solution region will be on the lower half of the plane. This is the lower half. When you will draw the lines for the solution region, make sure the height of each line must be same. Each line of the solution must be equal height, and this is the solution region. So each and every point of this region will satisfy the inequality x plus y less than 5. The next question is, solve the given inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. Here the sign of inequality is greater than equal to. Y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x, or 2x less than equal to y plus 8, 2x minus y less than equal to 8. This is the equation of line. Let us consider the equation of line 2x minus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 2x minus 8. We will put two values of x. First, when x is equal to 0, then the value of y is equal to 0 minus 8 equal to minus 8. Similarly, the second value, we will try to put the value of x so that the value of y we get 0. When x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 8 is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So the two values of x are 0 and 4, and corresponding values of y, for x0 y is minus 8 and for x4 y is 0. So the points are 0 comma minus 8 and 4 comma 0. Now to draw the graph, this is the origin, x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Similarly on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and this is minus 8. Now the first point is 0 comma minus 8. This is this point 0 comma minus 8, and the second point is 4 comma 0. This is 4 comma 0, because the equation of line is y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. In equation is with the sign of greater than equal to, so we will draw the bold line, join minus 8 and 4, minus 8 on y axis and 4 on x axis with the bold line. You must use the scale to draw the line and use the pencil only. This is the equation of line, which is y plus 8 is equal to 2x. Now to know about the solution region, we will check the solution at point 0, 0. So here at 0 0, the left side is 0 minus 0 less than equal to 8, 0 less than equal to 8, which is true. Because the statement is true, so the solution region is on the side where origin lies, that is the upper half of the plane. So this is the upper half of the plane. You can shade here. You can shade in any way. You can draw the lines or you can shade using the pencil. This is the solution region. So what we have discussed today, take a look. Now it's time to note down your homework.